few items I would also like to call out on this page is the Notes tab. Notes allows you to keep track and keep notes on an individual student. You are also able to export this to your CRM. So for example, you can type something in and add a note, and this will be saved here for you to reference next time you come back and visit this page. Also want to show you the Visit History tab. Visit History provides more details such as how many visits they've had, what pages they visited, and how they got there. Google search, for instance, also shows what device they are using. If you expand each of these icons here, it'll show you the pages that they visited, the time, and what type of device they were on. So it'll show you here, this is a desktop icon, but if it's a tablet or a cell phone, it'll show you this as well. The Person Data tab, Person Data shows anything that we are receiving through your weekly data file. So any sort of status or specific instance pertaining to this individual will be shown here. The Market Segments tab shows which market segments the student is currently in. We use these to deploy specific strategies for dynamic content. So as you can see, it'll show anything that has been assigned pertaining to this specific individual. I wanted to scroll down here and show you the top tag views as well. Top tag views show the types of information that they have been looking at on your site, such as admissions, the homepage, academics. So this is going to give you a high-level overview of what it is that the specific person may be interested in. The timeline down here at the bottom, the timeline shows a history of their site experience and is segmented into two different areas. The left-hand side of the page, as you scroll down, shows any type of status moves or changes, such as when the first site visit occurred and when they were identified. The right-hand side of the screen shows all pieces of content that they have currently been served, shows the day and time and what the content piece was. Clicking on the name of content will expand and show you what it looks like and other specifics for the piece. So for example, we will click on this open house toaster. It'll show you again a sample of what the actual image and what the toaster looked like that they were served. And it'll also show you dates in which it was served and the segment in which she was in to be served this piece of content.